The Path of Grace verse of the day is John chapter 12, verse 32. With the previous 4 days' verses in mind, listen to what Jesus said as I read it from 4 different translations so that it can really sink in. Listen carefully and then take some time to meditate on it. John 12:32. First from the King James Version. Jesus is speaking and he says, "And I, if I be lifted up from the earth, will draw all men unto myself." The New American Standard Bible. "And I, if I am lifted up from the earth, will draw all men to myself." Young's Literal Translation, which can normally vary greatly from the popular translations like I just read from, reads almost exactly the same. "And I, if I may be lifted up from the earth, will draw all men unto myself." And here's the Concordant Literal New Testament. "And I, if I should be exalted out of the earth, shall be drawing all to myself." That's the verse for the day. Spend time meditating on it, and then read the passage in context, John chapter 12, verse 32.